What is going on, guys? It is a fine, super fine day here in Southwest PA. It is very warm. It's another 86-degree day with, like, I don't know, 70 something percent humidity. It's absolutely dreadful right now. And I guess in today's episode, did I latch this? Good. I guess in today's episode, what I would like to talk about is why I haven't put a lot of miles on my bike. I'm not, I don't say like, oh, I'm known for it, but I have been told that I put a decent amount of mileage on my motorcycle. This is a 2023 Ninja 650, and it's got just under 25,000 miles on it. Where are we at? Yeah, 24.5. And yeah, that's kind of what I've been, again, not necessarily known for, but people recognize that I put some serious miles on my bike. But this year is different. This year I haven't put that many miles on the bike, and kind of want to talk about that. And I guess the very first, so we'll go in chronological order, kind of everything that happened. The first reason, or the first slowdown of the mileage thing, was whenever, I mean, my season doesn't really end, if I'm being honest with you. Like, I ride year round for the most part, but, you know, regular season, you know, March, whatever it is, I needed some serious maintenance done on my bike, and I still need some serious maintenance on my bike. And actually, two subscribers who are honestly friends at this point, like, I really enjoy hanging out with Matt and Adam whenever I see them at Mercedes, and I want to do some rides with them, and a couple other people, to be honest with you. I've met a lot of, not a lot, but I've met at least like 3 or 4 people who I enjoy being around, and I think that they're good people, and I think that they would be good riders, because I don't want to just ride with anybody, to be honest with you. There's a lot of a lot of risk whenever you start riding with a bunch of people you don't know, but these are good guys. But going back to Matt and Adam, Matt knows a lot about bikes, and he's going to help me do some more maintenance on the bike. I need a complete flush of my everything, my coolant, my brake fluid, everything. So I still need to get all that done. But I'm getting sidetracked. That was the first big thing, was maintenance. I needed a brand new chain, because again, winter has completely destroyed my chain, and I'm not riding long distances with a messed up chain. You really shouldn't ride at all with a messed up chain, but this is kind of my only source. Oh, it's so hot. This is kind of like my only source of transportation, so I don't really have a choice, but I do have a choice in long distance and putting miles on the bike. And yeah, that was the first big hurdle, because it's not cheap. Like, chains aren't cheap, and then I don't have the tools or knowledge, or maybe I'm just a sissy, I don't know, but I had to get the dealership to put them on and all that, and that costs money, man. Even if I didn't have the dealership put it on, it still costs money to get the chain and the sprockets. Chain and sprockets. I needed definitely new sprockets. Those ones had 20,000 miles. Well, yeah, they had like 23,000 miles on them or whatever. I'll show a picture of them right here, and if you guys know if this wear looks good or not. I think the wear looks great. It doesn't look like it's like shark teeth, where, you know, you get that whenever you're constantly dumping the clutch and like cranking on the throttle and all that fun stuff. But normal wear on it, so that's pretty good. Pretty happy about that. Just get over here. Let me do this. Gabe's is there. Let me find out. Oh, this. But yeah, that was the first big thing, was the maintenance on the bike. The second thing what caused me to have a pretty low mileage season so far, because I'm actually going to crank miles out. But the other reason was I forgot my smartphone wasn't a flip phone. That was a joke, son. I snapped my phone in half. And when I say I snapped my phone in half, I disrespected the hell out of my phone. I got mad. I know you shouldn't get mad and break things, but I got mad, broke my phone, and I haven't had a phone now in like 2 months or 3 months. I think it's about to be 3 months since I haven't had a phone. And on a side note, I am so happy, dude. Dude, I feel so good not having a phone. Like, I'm not going to dwell on that. That can be another video or whatever. But, dude, I just feel so good of not having a phone and being off of social media, dude. I really freaking do. But that caused me to have low miles on my bike because I don't like this situation. Don't want to be in your blind spot. You're going too slow. You're going like, watch out for this traffic pattern. But yeah, since I didn't have a phone, I couldn't go real far distances. And it's not because I need my phone for GPS. If you're going 3, 4, 5, 8 hours out, which is kind of what I do, it's not smart to do that without a phone, man. Too much can go wrong. It's best to just play it safe. And yeah, that was honestly like the big reason why I haven't put a lot of miles on my bike. Like I have been riding, but I just haven't been like exploring, which sucks because I really like doing that. Liked doing that. Let's put an asterisk there for the third reason. Oh, that looks really nice. Oh, they paved that real nice. Oh, and it smells good. I love the smell of tar. I love the smell of skunk, tar. Actually, you know what? We're going to leave it there because we're not going to talk about that because you guys might think I'm strange liking the smell of burning bones. I do love the smell of burning bones. Like dentists, like I'm a butcher, so you cut anyways. But that was a big reason, was not having a phone, again, because I'm not going to be riding really, really far without a phone. Again, it's not the GPS, it's the safety thing. And by the time I did get a phone, well, I still don't have a phone. I think I'm getting one next week because I kind of have to for doctor's appointments and things like that. But I think I might just get a flip phone. But the third big reason why I put, oh, son of a bitch, this is the third reason why I haven't put a lot of miles on my bike, because it is so freaking hot, man. Oh no, that was a bad accident. Oh, that was an accident. It almost looks like it rolled over. Did it roll over? The front end of it's all jacked up. Let's be Snoopy. Yeah, I wonder if somebody rolled... Because that car looks like it rolled over. That just happened. Oh man, they got T-boned on the side and they have kids. Oh wow. So what happened? They got hit on the side. That looks like it rolled over. I don't know how that happens. And they look like they got everything under control. It's freaking hot. That's the third reason, man. It is so uncomfortably hot. Full gear all the time. You know the drill. It's not fun to ride in this, man. It is absolutely atrocious to ride in this. I wonder if they rolled over and then hit them on the side. Because that's got front end, that's got damage on the hood or on the front end. What are we doing, dude? Hold on, let's do this. Oh, I'm so glad I'm not stuck behind that. But yeah, by the time I got my bike up to par, and now I'm getting a phone, all that, it's too hot to ride. Honestly, this is my this is my least mileage time of year because it's just too hot, man. It's not fun. I know some people love this shit. I cannot stand it. I don't know if it's because I have like psoriasis or eczema or whatever you want to call it, and like the heat kind of affects me a little bit different, or if it's because I just always hated the heat. And yeah, that's pretty much the third reason why I haven't been putting a lot of miles on my bike, because it's too freaking hot, man. It's not fun. Like, it is not enjoyable to ride this, in my personal opinion. It's just not fun to ride in this. I know a lot of people... What the hell is that? I know a lot of people like riding at night. The problem with riding at night is it's still humid, so it's not necessarily... Like, it's cooler, but you get like that sticky feeling, and it's just not fun to me, man. So I just really had a low mileage season because of those situations. Oh man, I hope his music isn't going to play, because if they do, okay, good, because that would copy strike me. But yeah, you know, that's kind of what happened. I mean, like I said, I only got 24,000 miles. I think I only put like 3,000 miles on my bike in like the start of the season. Like, it's nothing, and that sucks. But then again, it also doesn't suck, man, because you put miles on, you got to do maintenance. I have to do tires very soon, so you know, that's expensive, man. Doesn't matter if you put them on yourself or you don't. Tires are very expensive, and they actually went up because I was tire searching yesterday, and yeah, tires went up, and I'm not entirely sure which tires I'm going to go with this time. Man, his stupid bike's going to copy strike me with his stupid ass music. Oh, come on. Maybe I can just like talk really loud and you won't hear it. So that's pretty good. Yeah, hold on. I'm going to let this guy do this thing. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. That guy literally was doing the whole Harley thing where he was just doing nothing but cranking his bike down like that whole freaking time. Whatever. But what was I talking about? Yeah, it's just been generally a low mileage season so far, which, that's what I was talking about. I was talking about tires and stuff. Yeah, tires are expensive, everything's expensive, but you know, it's not that big of a deal, to be honest with you. I'm going to be taking my vacation in September and another one in October, and I plan on doing long trips on that. I'm not going cross country. I cannot swing it. So that sucks, but it is what it is. But I am hoping to hit my mileage quota by then. Actually, I want to do 1,000 miles a week, which I don't even think 1,000 miles a week is a lot, right? Is that a lot? I don't think that's a lot. That's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's like 200 miles in 5 days. Yeah, it's not that much. So maybe we'll bump it up to 2,000 miles a week. I don't know. But I do want to put the miles on. That's just my story, man. That's just kind of just one of those years that everything just kind of lined up. I'm still enjoying my bike, but I'll be honest, I do want to get another bike, because it's not that I'm bored of my bike. I understand the limitations of my bike now, and there are a lot of limitations with it, and it's not even the power thing, man. Like, I wouldn't do it, but I wouldn't mind getting a Versus 650. The only reason I wouldn't do it is because it's already the same, you know, engine and all that, and I do want a different engine. I'll tell you what, dude, I really like the Yamaha MT series. The subscriber I run into quite a lot, he has he just got it, absolutely gorgeous MT-09 SP. That, like, dude, that bike is clean. I love those bikes. The only thing I don't like about them is not having the wind protection. But dude, those are a nice freaking motorcycle, man. I love those bikes. Such a gorgeous bike. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know necessarily what I'm gonna do about that. I'm not trading this bike in. I want to put the miles on this bike. I'd love to get a second bike, but you know, we will just have to kind of see what happens. But I do have other plans with the channel. I still would love to try and I would still love to try and be able to. I would still love to. Sorry, I'm watching him. I still love to try to be able to get my teaching license to be able to teach motorcycle safety. That is a very high goal. And I might try and do that in September if I can swing it financially, because it's not free, unfortunately. So I get it. It is what it is. But yeah, there are plans involved. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, man. I just kind of wanted to take you on a different route. I call it my deployment. I've been deployed at the other store for like 16 weeks now, and I've never taken you down this road. I don't think I did. Probably because it's always too freaking hot, man. Like, it is such a hot summer, dude. And it's not even over. It is just July. Just the beginning part of July. And we still have August. So, I don't know. Is that it? Is that all I got to tell you? Do I got to go to Walmart? Do I have to go anywhere before I go home? Because once I am home, I am not leaving. No, I think everything is copacetic. I don't have to leave. I don't have to do anything. So, yeah, that's my story, guys. That's kind of why it's a low mileage season. Not a big deal. You know, some people still might consider that a lot of miles. You know, I don't. I want 10,000 a year, man. 10,000 a year, and I'm at 24. So, I still got some miles to put on the bike, man. I still got some miles to put on the bike. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next one.